Hi friends, this video shows how to delete a registered network from PS5. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to network. Go to settings. Select setup internet connection. So here you can see registered networks. We can see two networks. So I am going to delete this first one. Set this first registered network, then press options button on PS5 DualSense controller. Press options button. Here we can see forget. Select forget. Select OK. Done. So this way we can delete registered networks from PS5. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.